Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you right now on this live trade how to basically close partial positions. So basically what I mean by this is it allows you to basically scale out of your trade instead of closing the whole thing, basically leaving a runner on. So I'm going to show you this with TradeLocker. This is a platform I use. If you guys are interested in using the same broker as me, you're going to want to click the link below this YouTube video. I also have a free Discord, free Telegram group, all the whole kit and caboodle. So here we are right now. This is a live trade. I'm up $4,000 in profit. I have 20 lots, so I have a little bit of bigger size with this one, and I basically took a sell at this very top. Nice little squeeze to the upside, and right now she's basically pushing back, so we don't want her to basically go back to my entry. Again, I'm up basically $2,800. So down here on my desktop, I have you share your position, you have edit position, you have break even, and then you have basically partial close. So the partial close basically means, okay, if I'm in 20 lots, right, I can basically choose what I want to close. All right, so again, right now I'm up $4,200. So I could put in here, right? So if I hit basically 15, that means I'm gonna close 15 lots. But if I do 1.25, right, I close that, you'll basically see now it says I bought 1.25 lots. Okay, and now I basically paid myself. And then if I go here, go to partial position again, I do another 1.25, or actually what I'll do is I'll do like 1.25, and then what I'll do is I'll copy that. So let me go here, I'll put 1.25, I'll copy that, and then I'll go to close, and then as she's basically like selling off, I'll just keep pasting that, okay? And I'll just keep pasting that again, 1.25, I'm slowly scaling out and paying myself along the way, right? 1.25, keep pasting that in there, and at the same time I'll do break even, right? So if I set my stop loss to break even, so what that means is that now you can't see it, but if I basically zoom in, it'll basically show you, okay, my stop loss right here is set to break even. So if she pushes up, she'll basically get me out of that break even trade. Okay, and right now I'm floating $4,200. But you'll see right here, my stop loss is 50.68. But if I go to, if I hit my edit position, right, I can then adjust my stop loss down. So my stop loss is now $1,100 basically. So there, my stop loss is adjusted. And now if I go back to my partial position, right, again, this is a live trade. I'm up $4,600, right? So if I go here, partial position 1.25, I'm slowly scaling out. So now if we look right here, my lots, I'm at 12.5 lots, right? 12.5 lots, and then again, we took a sell here. So because we took a sell, we're making money as she's basically selling off, right? We're making money as she's selling off. We're on the downside. So, and again, I have a free Telegram group, guys. So this is gold. We're trading gold right now. 100% free Telegram group for gold signals, where I tell people day in and day out where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell. We don't charge for it. We don't ask you for your credit card. All we ask is that you use the same broker that we're using. That's what helps supports and keeps the Telegram signals group growing. Because respectfully, we don't want to send signals to people that are either A, using a demo account, or B, using a prop account. I don't support either of those. It's kind of pointless. So nonetheless, gold is basically pushing it back up here. I want to continue to take close partial position, 1.25. Again, you can put in here whatever you want. If you want to close like 0.23 or right, 0.23, close, boom, I close out 0.23. You want to go to partial position and maybe close out, just maybe you want to take out 0.50 lots, you could do that. I'm just slowly scaling out, right? I know she's pushing up, but I'm just slowly, you know, 0.90, 0.8099, right? And watch, she's probably gonna stop me out right there. See, boom, I'm out. So if I go to my closed positions, you'll basically see all my basically orders here went through 686, 105, 7850, 4531. So I kept paying myself along the way, and that's very important and key with trading, is to pay yourself along the way. Don't just enter a trade with a fixed stop loss, a fixed profit, and let a winning trade become a losing trade. Because you guys saw, just as fast as she basically came down, she pushed back up. So there's some guys that probably maybe either entered, right, and then they got their stop loss maybe where this, you know, maybe where this red line is. So where this red line is, I guarantee there's people that entered this trade and then didn't fucking take profit or pay themselves along the way, and now their ass is about to get goddamn stopped out. It's like, that's stupid. So make sure you guys pay yourself along the way. Hopefully that helps you guys on how to use partial trade with TradeLocker. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and below this link have all the links to the free Discord, free signals group, and the broker that I use. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.